everyone, and welcome back. I think what's going to be a really fun video for us today in the Mustang series. Today we're doing something pretty exciting, I think. So I personally, ever since day one of getting this Mustang, I have wanted Mustang GT PP1 wheels, the rims, the black ones. Now, I've been told they come in a couple of different sizes, anywhere from 20s to 19s. I've even heard rumors of 18s, which I don't think are actually a thing. I've wanted those wheels on this car. I think the gray with the black are gonna look incredible. I've been searching for a good deal on them. I've been searching for years now to try and find a set of these wheels at a good price. And people wanted like thousands of dollars for them. It's insane. I found 3 sets in all of Ontario that were worth even looking at. And this one guy who actually turned out to be a really nice dude, big car fan, he actually had 2 sets for sale. So I ended up buying one of the sets from him. They came with Michelins, which I was hoping were gonna be still good, but turns out they're not. The tread on the outside is actually really good, but the inside are just torn up right to the wear bars. They're done. So ended up, I kind of said, okay, oh darn. Well, it's still a good deal for the rims, and we actually didn't even talk about it, but they came with full sensors, which is a huge help too, because I really didn't want to buy more sensors. Obviously discovered that the tires were done on them, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna need to get some new tires. What am I gonna get? So I thought about getting another set of Michelins. I know obviously Michelins are very highly rated, everyone seems to love them. I also looked at other things like Pirellis, Toyos, Nittos, Continentals. I really like the Nittos, but I was talking to my parts manager and he said, well, stop being stupid. For the price, you might as well get the Firestones. And I went, Firestones? Who gets Firestones? Growing up, we were always taught Firestones are kind of just cheap tires that were sort of advertised as like a performance tire, but they're not. My only worry with them is how long they're gonna last. I'm hoping I'm gonna get more than just a year or two. I hope I get 3 or 4 years out of them. I am still gonna be swapping out winters. I ended up going with the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s. They look really cool. The value for what you get, I think, is gonna be phenomenal. I can't wait to get them installed. The rims and tires, so I had to get 2 55/40 R19s in the front, 2 75/40 R19s in the rear. So they're 9 inches wide in the front, 9.5 in the rear, which I think is going to give this car a really nice kind of mean, aggressive stance. Yeah, it should be fun. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to head over and get them installed. All right, I am here at work, and these are the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s, and these are the tires that are going on my car. Give her. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. It took a little bit longer to actually get the old tires off and put the new ones on. I was a little worried about fitment, but honestly, they popped right on. They fit perfect. I didn't have to change any suspension, any control arms, any brakes, nothing. No adjustment, no shims, they all went right on. So it's actually been a couple of days since we installed those tires, because I wanted to give it a couple of days to see how I like them. It's my first time with low profile tires on a car. It's very interesting. It almost, in a weird way, feels like my motorcycle tires, in the sense of like, it's not bumpy, but you feel everything. Every crack in the road, you feel it, which is very interesting. But yeah, these tires have been absolutely great. They're very sticky, especially once, like if it's a hotter day or once they start to heat up, you can really feel the road. Like if I go like this, it's just, you can feel it. I definitely noticed the difference in the rims as well. They're bigger, they're offset, and you just feel like you're floating on the road, which is awesome. The only thing that I'm really a little bit worried about is the longevity of them. It'll be interesting to see how long they last, especially switching them out, because I don't want to end up having to get new tires every 2 years. But we'll see how it goes. And if they do well, maybe at the end of that 3rd or 4th season, I'll get another set, or maybe try a different brand. I'll just really quickly give you this, just because to show you off the look of the rims, I'll give you this quick B-roll right now. And I hope you enjoyed that. As always, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, so please subscribe, comment below, tell me what you think, tell me if you like the rims, tell me if you have these tires, your experience with them. I would love to hear, and I will see you in the next video.